Europe has the moral responsibility to set ambitious climate goals because historically it's been the continent who has emitted the most. Recently, the European Union has committed to cut down carbon emissions by 55% by 2030 and become carbon neutral by 2050. This means that the amount of emissions produced by then must equal the ones who can be absorbed by natural and technological solutions. Stopping climate change is a global effort, so it does not make any sense to set ambitious regional objectives while pushing environmental damages away from our borders. However, national emission inventories only include emissions which are produced within the region's boundaries, and they leave out the emissions who are embodied in the products traded in international markets. In the European Union, the carbon footprint based on what we consumed is higher than the one based on what we produced. And that is because we import a lot of products to consume. So to achieve global climate objectives, the import of products with a high carbon footprint need to be disincentivized so we can reverse this trend, and higher environmental standards can also be set outside of European borders.